Hello, I'm Yan. This is our quick video to show how to make lights brighter in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use the default scene. We have the default light here. Firstly, if we want to show the light effects, we can switch to render preview, and then we can select the light and go to object data properties, and we can find power. We can increase the lights. For example, I increased to 10,000. Oops, 10,000. So we can make it brighter. Now I go back to 1,000. If we want to make this side brighter, we have two ways. The first way, we can move the lights to this size to make this size brighter. The second option, to move the lights to original location, and we can have option to add another light. So we can go to add and light. We have option to add point lights, sunlight, spot light, and area light. I will use point light and move the light here. And also we can go back to object's data properties and increase its power. For example, I increase it to 500 to make it brighter. So this is how we can make light brighter in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Yan. See you in the next video.